Hello, my name is Sering Bakeka. I am a junior electrical and computer engineer here at DAUST. So today I'm gonna introduce you, do a general presentation of the project I've been working on with my team here in the junior project class. So the project is named Digital Artisan. Well, I'm gonna come into the scope of the project, giving you the general context, which is a problem we see as engineer in the society, and then we wanna solve. So what is the problem we wanna solve? Actually, we had seen and noticed that carpenters around the country do more than 99% of their job manually. So all of their job, they are doing it using physical force. They are not as creative, and the manufacturing is not accurate, and there are all those problems. And we say that as engineer, and we have the social responsibility to just solve people's problem. Let's create some robot that carpenters can use to just automatize their job. So basically what we want to do is to design a CNC machine which allow them to just make a design of the project they want to make, and then just machine it using our CNC, because there are a lot of problems. CNC are created since a long time, but it is not accessible to our local carpenters. Why? First, they are not well trained to use it, to operate it. They are not well trained to maintain it. They are not well trained to troubleshoot it. And us, as local engineer, we want to create this CNC machine, and then help them with digital content to just help them use it well, help them maintain it well, help them troubleshoot those CNC well, and then help them have everything they need to do in their job be integrated in that automatized robot step. So the project consists, as I come back into it, of designing and making a CNC machine which allow them to just do every job they want to do, sculpting, milling, processing all the wood, the material they want to create. And then after that, we create a digital platform where every carpenter can make any design and then machine those designs. For example, if you wanna, it's kind of printing out their board. If they design a board, a bed, or a board, a wooden board, and then they just print it out, machining it with our CNC machine. They just can have their project and upload it into a digital marketplace where they can buy and sell with the world. Everybody can come there and then upload their design, buy design, sell design, and then it's kind of a whole industry we want to change it and make it better. So this project is something that we started 3 months ago, and then today we have our first prototyping, which consists first of a vertical, which is using less space, a vertical CNC machine, integrated maybe for later version with our table saw with different modules, and then try to help our carpenters have a better, more experienced job along their way, and gain more money, faster manufacturing, more accurate manufacturing, optimize the material, and then sell to the whole world. Look at this. Who doesn't need all these things? Guys, I think this project is just going at the top level. So you're encouraging people to just follow this idea, and then as we are working on it and making better and better, versioning it out, making quality, affordable CNC machine. We are going to have a quick presentation of the different components we've been using to make these CNC up and running. So as you can see in front of me, this is the sled, and the whole assembly of the sled, which is composed of this nice plate, this ring carriage, and all these moving parts the rolling that ensure the positioning of our CNC along around the surfacing of our machine. So, and quickly as you can see, I'm gonna show you the Z-axis, which will ensure the depth of our cutting. The material we are going to cut, we cut it with a certain depth, and the depth is going to be ensured by the Z-axis that is rolling out with this very nice system, mechanical system that is going to move smoothly throughout our CNC. And here all these movements movement, what is ensuring it is these motors. So we have motors like XY motors in the two corners of our CNC machine that is movable like throughout the chain. So I'm gonna show you the chains. These are like the chains we've been having to ensure the movement throughout like the movement of this sled using these motors. So all these movements are coordinated. So sure it is not like manual movement, it is like automatic movement, and those automation is like being possible by this control board, which is actually an Arduino shell that we program, and the program like ensure the usability of our MCU, like our machine control application that we use from our computer to upload all the design, like the G code of all the design, and ensure that it interpreted correctly with the program we've been making. So basically, so this is an automatic system that's being moved by these motors. Here, as you can see, we have cables like the signal cable that take information from our control board. See here, if you plug it here, we cable the control board and we plug it here into the motors, and then it ensure like an automatic movement throughout like our whole surface to do the job, like sculpting, milling, the depth, like the X, Y corner, every detail. It is like not going to like let go anything. So these are the main components of our CNC. It can be powered like in next section to ensure that all the steps, like the movement, showing you the calibration we make, all those technical details. If you are excited, just follow us in the next section, in the next videos, and we will give you more and more about our CNC. Thank you very much.